Hey, what you doing?
I'm trying to lift that beast.
Yeah? Do you ever get pain in your knees?
Yeah.
Well, you might want to check out your alignment there.
What's going on?
Well, you get some knee valgus, what we call here. So basically your knees are collapsing inward.
You mean like that?
Yes, like that. And when you have your knees collapse inward, all this pressure, especially when you put weight on it, is going to crash down on the inside of your knees in an imbalanced way.
What else is going on with me?
So two things usually cause this, right? Sometimes it's the foot crashing down in, so it's not supporting all the weight, so that knee collapses, right? And the other thing is sometimes the glute med is weak. And in the clinic, those are the two reasons that we often find cause this knee valgus or this knee collapse. So we'll be posting a couple videos to tell you how to fix that weak glute medius and also how to fix the weakness in the collapsed arch or how to strengthen the arch. So stay tuned.
And then you'll let me lift this.
Yep, and then we'll go right into the squat.
Ready.